What if you spend every waking moment of your life making fearless decisions? Yo, what is the word? Golden Hugh back again for your entertainment, and I'm doing a day in my life as a student at Howard University. I'm a graduating senior, babes. So I only have about 2-3 weeks left, and today is exactly a week before Thanksgiving week. So projects, exams, all of that is pretty much this week. Really in the thick of it. So I'm going to present in class right now. Low-key class starts in 2 minutes, and I'm usually early, but something just blew me, so I had to address that first. So I'm honestly lucky I found this park over here by the Bird Gymnasium, and then this is the stadium right here. But I usually never find parking around 12-1, but only do it. So we're not too far from SOB. I'm gonna show y'all, and so we're gonna do this presentation and get it together. Finished our presentation. We killed it. Bernice. Is that JT vlogging today? Say hi. Oh, look, it's Baba Bay. Hi, Baba Bay. I just got out of finance principles, and Baba Bay is usually right here outside of SOB, and I always buy incense from him. He also has a great selection of rings and jewelry, depending on what you want. Books, shirts, whatever you need. Say hey to the cam, Baba.
Peace and blessings.
Peace and blessings, yes. He also sells bags. He's always out here when the weather's good. All right, the presentation was a 10 out of 10. I mean, I'm pretty used to presenting at this point, so I wasn't nervous or nothing. It's kind of just like another day on the job, I guess you can say. Oh, look at the track team. Hold on, you see the track? They over there running low key. I'm about to go back in there with one of my friends from class, and we're gonna work on another project. Because we're in about 2-3 projects together, like across different classes. So we're gonna do that together. I'm just going to get my bagel from my car because I'm hungry and I'm not buying anything, period. Gotta love the bagel. Hold my bagel.
Not hold your bagel.
We need to say something to the cam. So, what's your classification?
I'm a junior.
And how has junior year been so far for you?
Ooh. It's been hard. But I'm passing. I was failing all my classes at the beginning of the week. Now I'm passing. So
that's what we like to hear. Junior year be like that for real.
Yes.
My junior year was crazy too.
I really didn't know how I was gonna do it. I was fighting these teachers for my grades.
Oh, so how did you switch it around so quick?
Man, I just went to them, sat down. I was like, look, like, what can I do? I know, I don't be going to class. I hate going to class, and I hate homework. So I had to come to an agreement, and I ended up doing my homework.
And they pulled through for a sister.
They did. I feel like SOB, we have the best teachers, though, because other teachers not that lenient. But mine, they be like...
Well, as an SOC student, I would like to say that...
No, sir. Baby, just do it for you. When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no.
Hey y'all. So we are almost done working on our finance principles project. How did you do? How are you doing?
My name is Adam Koki. I'm a junior accounting major from Johannesburg, South Africa. I'm doing good. I think that, we just need to work together as a team, try to get this thing done early. And I think that's pretty much it. We'll get it done probably by Saturday, Sunday, the latest.
Yeah, it's due on Monday.
Yeah.
And we've actually making good progress. like last week we met in person.
Yeah.
Pretty early. Like we're an early group. I appreciate that.
Much better than our marketing group, which is like we done had an awesome minute.
Yeah, that group is. I feel like group projects be a hit or miss, and that one is just we're missing a mark. But this one pretty decent. I'm gonna show you what I did so far. We have like our project is to look at a company, like a publicly traded company, and we chose Elf Beauty, but we had to look at their financial statements and their ratios. We had to like calculate the ratios basically, and then that was Dalo's. Am I saying her name right?
Yeah, Dalo.
Okay, Dalo.
Yeah.
That was his part, and and some of my other teammates, like that was their part. And then my part is explaining like what these ratios mean. So I had to do it in paragraph form. And honestly, I'm happy I did this part because I don't like calculating the ratios and stuff. But you see, Dalo's an accounting major, so that's up his alley. All right, y'all. I'm on my way home now. It is 4:40. My class ended at 2, and I only have that class, the finance principles class. But recently, I've just been going and like staying on campus to do work, and it's been working out pretty good. So today was a successful day, and it's only 4 p.m. So when I get home, I'm gonna just cook my shrimp sliders because I'm so hungry first off, and I'm cramping on top of being hungry, on top of being in this DC traffic. The traffic is crazy. Like I probably moved up an inch. Nah, I'm guessing it. I probably moved up a foot. Look. Do y'all see the traffic? These engineers, they didn't design this street correctly. It's me moving in the same spot for like 20 minutes. I'm hungry. But I'm gonna catch up with y'all when I get home. I'm finally back home. I switched into my jammy jams. I love the cute sets around the house, something about it. But okay, to serious business. I'm about to cook these shrimp sliders because I'm so hungry. And I forgot to unthaw my shrimp. Now, I know back in the day when your mom or your dad, whoever finna cook, tell you to unthaw that meat, that's serious. Because now that I'm older and I didn't unthaw my shrimp, it just hurts my heart because I have to wait to actually cook my food. But I'm going to show y'all the ingredients for the shrimp sliders. Low-key, my pledge brother Brandon put me onto this quick meal because it's so good and it's so simple. All you need is Hawaiian rolls, shrimp, or whatever protein you want to use. You can use chicken, salmon. I love doing the salmon and the shrimps because I'm pescatarian. But yeah, that's all you need. Cheese and lettuce. Oh, hello. And then the protein. That's it. You cook your meat. You slice them Hawaiian rolls down the middle. You put that bad boy in the oven. You let that cheese melt in there, and you have a whole meal. It's mushy.
Put on gloves.
Oh my gosh, you're so right.
Because I think pumpkins give diseases.
And it's on our counter.
Oh, it can really, it says it can pollute your entire air.
I wish I wasn't this extra in real life, but I really am. I'm so sorry. No.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. This is inspired by my slider recipe?
Yes.
That is funny, yo.
So my pledge brother who I told y'all about the sliders, he's here right now. He brought me spinach. Say Brandon, say hello to the cam.
Okay, hello vlog, my name is Brandon. Apparently I am the inspiration behind the phenomenal statement sliders that you guys have been learning about today.
Yes.
I'm really excited to, give a slight review on, apparently the inspiration. I'm feeling very Master Chef, very Keith Lee, I'm already on a scale from 1 to 10. Let's know how I like it. But
It's so cool because he lives in this building too. So I'm like, dang, I don't have no lettuce. Let me ask Brandon. And he was at Whole Foods. Oh yeah, let me give y'all the backstory. So this is a Howard vlog. I did join AK Psi, which is a business fraternity on campus. And we did it together. My sophomore year, you were a junior?
Yes, I was a junior.
He was a junior, so this
that
is
was
the
3 years
perks.
ago.
3 whole years ago, and now we're here locked in. He's bringing me food. I'm making sliders. He's finna try the sliders. Like, I just love Pledge Brothers so much.
Oopsie.
Against the world, but
I love my people. I do love my set. Whole time.
yes. Okay, but we're gonna put this spinach on here to put this in the oven. So we'll be back in a sec. It is 9:28 right now. I feel like I was talking to Brandon for a good 2-3 hours after we tried out those shrimp sliders, and that's usually how it goes. I talk to Brandon for hours at a time. In my Pledge Brothers, I talk to them, it'd be hours. We just be running our gums talking about a whole bunch of different stuff. So that is an update. Now I'm about to do some work. I have about 3 more things to do. It's still pretty early, and the day was such a success that I want to keep it going. So I'm going to turn on my Gossip Girl because I love watching Gossip Girl on Netflix. I low-key watched that in high school, but I had to run it back. I'm going to do that and do some work in my bed, and then go to sleep after that. I'm going to probably do some B-roll to show y'all a little bit of me doing work in my bed. But other than that, this vlog is done, babes. Subscribe to the channel so you can see more Howard content. I'm going to do a couple more videos at Howard because I'll still be here until I walk across the stage in May. So be expecting a lot more videos so I can just have a good catalog of Howard content before I switch over to my next chapter in life. Stay tuned. I'm so excited. But anyway, subscribe, like the video, comment, all of that. Rah. I'll see y'all until next time. I'm gonna call us the collective hue. I like that. If you want to know what golden hue means, come back to the next episode so I can say. All right, until next time, I'll see y'all. Bye.